we had this big discussion about the future of Yiddish art. It was with a bunch of people from the program talking about what's the work they want to do in Yiddish and like what can we do with it after we leave. And first of all, I'm very excited for what everyone has planned, and I just think it's very cool to be around so many people who are so creative and want to do stuff with Yiddish. For me personally, I have had this idea for a while that I really would love to make a series of Yiddish radio plays, because I really like making radio and I love Yiddish, and I think that there's this really crazy and I think like very underrated history of Yiddish radio, and I would love to bring all of those things together. So that's a sort of immediate project I have. In the long term, I think like my big project with Yiddish is just like keeping it in my life and trying to pass it on to other people in my life. I want to pass it on to my children. I want to, my parents are more interested in it now because I'm studying it, and they're like, why? I think that any opportunity I get to get someone even a little bit more interested in this world, in this language, in this culture is like valuable. So yeah, we'll see. I don't know.